Guys, this is super exciting. Royal Enfield have really hit the ball out of the park with their 650 twin bikes that they have launched today. It was a fun-filled event at Chopda Motors Pune where we actually got to see these bikes in the flesh, and boy, were they amazing. Now quickly about these bikes. Both these bikes are powered by a 650cc parallel twin engine. It's a fuel injected motor which has a 6-speed gearbox mated to it, churning out 47 bhp at 7250 rpm and 52 newton meters of torque at 5250 rpm. The company website specifies it as a air oil cooled unit. The best part about these bikes is the price, guys. Yes, Royal Enfield has very aggressively priced this, and it is sure to attract a lot of customers to take a look at this bike when they hear about the price. I am putting the price for these bikes on the screen right now. In the meantime, enjoy the bike sound.